So, hi audience, we have Rashmita with us today. She has completed her BSc from Odisha and MSc in chemistry from Pondicherry University, and now she is starting her career in intellectual property with some IP. So, congratulations, Rashmita.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Rashmita, coming from a chemistry background, why you thought like intellectual property and patents is the right field for you?
Ma'am, first of all, in chemistry, there are so many drugs being like invented and used, and now also Corona. You can see that so many drugs are being invented for that.
Right.
So, and I didn't knew about the patent like analysis, something like this carrier is there. Uh, this year only I researched about the patent analyst and I came across this and I find that it's very interesting field, very challenging field. So I opted for this as my career.
Great, awesome, Rashmita. So tell me about your experience when you were doing your BSc or MSc. Were some information given to you regarding this career, or like you research on your own?
I researched on my own actually. I knew about patent, but
Hmm.
I had a little idea, not much. Then
Okay,
I researched about it and I came to know that such a career exists and it's a good career.
okay. So how did you came to know about IIPT?
Actually, I uploaded my CV in Naukri and I was searching for job. And during that time only, I came across IAPTA
Okay.
in Naukri only.
Okay, so when you came to know there are certain programs, so how did you decide it? Because students find it really tough that whether it will be useful or not, they are not aware. So how did you make a decision that yes, this is a good course and it will help me?
Ma'am, initially, honestly, I will tell that I was very much reluctant to join the program because I
Hmm.
had very little idea about this career.
Hmm.
Then, after I researched in different websites and different sources, I found that yeah, this is a growing career, and I then I felt like I must go for it.
Okay, so so what was the best thing about the program which you really liked and which you said, okay, this is the good part of it?
Especially your live classes, they were very much helpful. I made all the notes, and then the materials that the IAPT portal had, it was also very good. So yeah, that those were the best things.
Okay. And how was your interview with the company? So were you nervous and like, or you like were confident?
No, I was nervous, but I had given already two interviews, so I was little confident. But yeah, I was nervous, and it was a telephonic interview. So
Mm.
the founder of the company called me during the afternoon time,
Mhm.
and yeah, and they asked all the basic questions about the patent.
So were you able to answer those questions? Were you like
Yes,
ready with the answers?
yes.
Okay, awesome, 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 great. So like Rashmita, many chemistry students really struggle because they don't know the right career path or right option for them. But any suggestion you want to give to other chemistry students, because a lot of chemistry students approach to us but they're not able to understand how patents or IP are important as a career from a chemistry for a chemistry graduate or postgraduate.
Yeah, ma'am. One has to do research. Actually, in during in colleges, they don't give us much exposure to they don't tell us much about the different career prospects in
Hmm.
chemistry except PhD and some government organizations. So
Hmm.
one has to do research, and there are so many opportunities available. But yeah, one has to do research, and one can go for it.
Okay, Rashmita, generally chemistry students they say we will give net examination, we will do PhD, but you decided no, corporate job is the what I want to do. So how did you decided that PhD rather than doing PhD, this is much better option for you?
Ma'am, actually, I had project during my MSc,
Hmm.
and I actually at that time I realized that I am not much interested in lab work, and I always had a soft corner for computers and chemistry.
Hmm.
So that is why I felt like corporate sector will be a good thing for me because
Hmm.
I will grow in that. I felt like.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Awesome. Awesome. We at IIT Delhi, we are complete team is so happy that you are starting your corporate career and we are able to deliver that okay, with our program, people get success and people are getting their career started.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rashmita. Nice talking to you, and we wish you all the very best because this is just a first step, and you will make more progress in your life in future.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmita. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.